Welcome. If you're looking to enhance your privacy on the X app by turning off Grok's conversation history feature, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through simple, updated steps to disable Grok from remembering your chats so you can take control of your data. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you're in, tap your profile icon, which you'll find in the top left corner of the screen. This will open up your account menu. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. This is where you get to customize various aspects of your account. From there, find and tap on Privacy and Safety. This section holds all the important privacy controls to keep your information secure. Now, scroll down through the list until you locate Grok and third-party collaborators and tap on it. Here, you'll see options related to how Grok interacts with your data. Finally, look for the toggle labeled Allow Grok to remember your conversation history. Simply switch this toggle off. This step stops Grok from storing or recalling any of your past conversations. And that's it. You've now successfully disabled Grok's ability to save your chat history on the X app. This simple change helps protect your privacy and ensures your interactions stay just between you and the app. If you ever want to turn this setting back on, just follow the same steps and toggle it back. But for now, enjoy that extra layer of privacy and control over your digital footprint. Thanks for watching.